Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators, because this is just my trade journal. Price action order flow levels Friday, July 7th, and we've got an 8/3 farm payroll catalyst. So currently 13.75 handle point range. 3-day average handle point range is 32.66 handles. And what I've got up here is a 1-hour chart. So let's go into some charts into a little more detail to talk about price action, imbalances, draws on liquidity, and order flow levels. Okay, we have equity indexes on the far left. We have the NASDAQ, 1, 2, 3 down, and the S&P in the middle here. And again, you can see in the Globex, we're down. We're in the candle wick area of the prior day. And on the dollar, we are down. We're in the candle wick area on the discount wick area of the prior day. So my read on the 24-hour on these three charts is equities look sickly here after a shortened holiday week. And as far as the dollar goes, nothing bullish here. We'll see the high on the dollar so far for Friday is 103.188 and the low is 102.98. Nothing stands out to me as greatly bullish here on anything. So I'm not really getting a clear read. So I'm not wanting to initiate any trades here for Friday based on this 24-hour. Let's go down a level and see what the 1 hour it looks like. Okay, 1 hour chart. I want to focus on this chart and give it the most time in this video journal because we've got the whole week basically. So we started out at the week far left after the previous Friday, June 30th rally. And we had this ramp and camp, and this 15-minute fair value gap was an inverted fair value gap, and we couldn't go beyond it. And then we had the new week open gap for this whole shortened week right around here, but we really tried on Wednesday to get above it and failed. And then Thursday, yesterday, we just had this huge plunge in the electronic Globex session, and we ended up having this big blue box, which is opening range gap, and we went way below here. We opened up on Thursday very low here, and then we went further down to the low of the day right down here, and currently we're right around this area. So New York midnight open here, London's a little lower. The London raid for 3 hours is in this little yellow rectangle. So it doesn't look to me on the non-farm payrolls we're going to recover back to the new week open gap here. So the one below it is right here. This is the June 19th, and this is the 59 zone. So this is doable for Friday. I'm not predicting. I'm anticipating possibly that they could go here. This is a 0.618 fib retracement also. But really to look at it right now, we are pretty consolidated and there's nothing showing. So we just got to watch for the non-farm payroll. Currently, I'm flat and not feeling like a trade for Friday is going to happen. I'm under trading for the shortened week. Not been my best reads on a holiday short week, so I don't want to press my luck. Let's go to the Renko chart next. I wanted to highlight the Renko chart on this lower blue Keltner prior day and just outline how long we were in this lower blue. You can just see here, we just had a trend down day and it lasted for hours until we finally popped out in the PM session of the regular trading hours, and we closed above the red Keltner, which stopped going down. If you notice these Keltners, the lower blue, the red, and the upper blue, they've stopped pointing down and we're flatlining here. So price is in here just above the red. The lower is 44.10, and above here, pointed slightly up, is 44.52, and that's in the zone roughly of striking distance with what we were talking about on the confluence zone on the 1 hour chart. So there you have it. This isn't a raging buy. We're not in a discount necessarily because this is above the red. So I'm not really wanting to go long, and a short doesn't make sense until we're at least upper blue, and lower blue is way down here at a discount. So it's pretty much hands off. Renko confirms it, but it gives me more bearing here on where we are with the volatility. So that's all there is for Friday non-farm payroll. Again, this is the big catalyst. So I'm going to watch price here. We've got that coming up shortly. Aloha, take care, and shout out to the subscribers. Really appreciate you supporting the channel. Please consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Take care. Aloha. Bye.